Expanding your team. The only way to grow is to expand your team. You simply cannot build a business alone. It's a myth. Now, that's not to say you have to have a room full of staff. You can have a remote team working all over the world and lower your overheads by not having to pay for office space. But you do need to have a team if you want to expand. And this can often be a really scary step for most creatives. It was for me. I actually use an outsourced team based in the Philippines. Now, what this does is allows me to leverage lower labor costs, but actually have a very loyal and committed team who work remotely. My business is primarily a remote business. There's no reason why I can't have a team all over the world. And this is a really cost-effective, but also a very sensible way to expand the team. Now, the very first thing you do when you get a team is you've got to start thinking in terms of systems and processes, because whatever in your head needs to be translated to your team. And one of the easiest ways to do that is to do screen capture videos of all the things that you do in your business and have your team build systems and processes for you. More about that in another video.